So, why I choose Marine Collagen? Here are 3 reasons. Hello, beautiful face yogis! I'm Fumiko Takatsu, founder and the creator of the Face Yoga Method. In this video, I want to talk about collagen and why I chose Marine Collagen plus 3 unique ingredients: white mulberry leaf matcha powder, apple peel powder, and maca powder. But before we start, be sure to watch this entire video to start your face yoga method journey with a free routine. First, what is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. It is a major building block of skin, bones, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and it keeps our skin, nails, and hair stay healthy. Our body naturally produces and breaks down collagen every day. But as we age, production of collagen declines at a rate of about 1% a year, starting in our mid-20s, and it goes rapidly downhill when we reach 40s and 50s. Especially in the first few years of postmenopause, production of collagen drops almost 30%. As a result, the appearance of our skin changes. It loses elasticity, becomes wrinkled and saggy. By supplementing collagen keeps our skin firm, plump, hydrated, and supple. So, why I choose Marine Collagen? Here are 3 reasons. Reason number 1, type of collagen. There are at least 16 types of collagen, and type 1 collagen is a key building block to maintain the elasticity and the firmness of our skin. And type 1 collagen is found in large quantity in marine collagen. Reason number 2, marine collagen has less impact on the environment. Our marine collagen is wild and responsibly sourced. Fish are not treated with antibiotics or hormones. That means cleaner collagen. Reason number 3, marine collagen is absorbed up to 1.5 times more efficiently into the body than bovine collagen, which is sourced from cows. Bovine collagen is cheaper, so commonly used, but I wanted a safer, better quality collagen. White mulberry matcha powder lowers blood sugar, insulin, and cholesterol. It reduces inflammation and promotes consistent skin tone by preventing hyperpigmentation or patches of the skin, and naturally lighten skin tone. Apple peel powder is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, A, potassium, calcium, and flavonoids. Maca powder lowers blood pressure, is an excellent source of vitamins B1, B2, B12, C, and E. Also has good quantities of iron and potassium. It is antidepressant, energy booster, improves memory, protects skin against the UV rays. These are the reasons why I chose Marine Collagen and added 3 unique ingredients into the Face Yoga Method Collagen Super Powder. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit subscribe button and be sure to claim your free face yoga routine with the link in the description.